So today we will make some DIYs with invitation cards and greeting cards. So let's get started. So first take out the thread and we will need it somehow later. Now take this brown color crepe paper and draw a fish on that. Then cut it. Now it should look something like this, and now again cut a white color paper, a bit smaller one. As shown in the video, stick it on the fish. Now cut a circle to put it as an eye on the fish. Now this is another invitation card. So cut this invitation card into some pieces as shown in the video and stick it on the fish. You can use any color, as my invitation cards are in this color. I'm using these colors, and now it's ready, guys. I have made one more fish like this, a smaller one. Now you can put a thread which we had it usually like on the greeting card. Now stick it with a tape. You can even use glue, but tape will be more better. Now you can hang this anywhere, wherever you want. At the end of the video you will see where I hanged it. So now this is another DIY. The second DIY is very easy. So in some of the invitation cards there will be some designs and behind that I have put a paper and I'm painting the paper with a pink paint. So you can use any color. I'm using pink. And next I'm going to use purple. If I blend pink and purple, it will really look good. So I have used pink first and then I'm using purple now. Paint it properly and it should look good. So it's ready now. It really looks good. It looks like they both are not different colors and they are blended. Now this is another one with another invitation card. So both of them are looking so good. Now this is the third DIY, and draw a half circle as shown in the video. This will turn like a moon and cut it. Now make one more. I have made two of them now. Now I'm going to use a cover which I got it from Choco's cover. Now draw a circle on that just for a mark so that I can cut it into a circle. Now you have to cut one more which is a bit big and stick both of them on a thin cardboard. I'm sticking in the thin cardboard so that it doesn't fold. Now it's ready. Now stick all of them on a gold color thread, and the thread is your wish. You can put any color thread. I thought gold would be better because the moons are also in gold color. Stick them with a tape. You can put many, but I have put only 4. Now it's ready. It looks so good. Hang it wherever you want. So please subscribe to my channel. This is how I have decorated my study table, putting these both. You can make a greeting card with these also. And I have hung this fish near my entrance door and the moons also. I have stuck it with the tape. It really looks very good in the entrance door. Do try this at home and please subscribe to my channel, guys.